Want to claim up to 6,000 USDT in newcomer bonuses on LBank? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to sign up, use referral code 363XS, and complete your KYC step by step. LBank is a global crypto exchange trusted by millions of traders. It offers spot, futures, copy trading, and special newcomer promotions, perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here's why you should register with referral code 363XS and finish KYC today. Unlock limited-time newcomer bonuses up to 6,000 USDT. Increase your deposit and withdrawal limits. Secure your account with full verification. Access exclusive trading features and promotions. Here's how to create your LBank account. Click the sign up link in the description. Choose to register with your email or phone number. Create a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. Enter referral code 363XS in the invitation code field. Accept the terms and conditions. Confirm your registration by entering the verification code sent to your email or SMS. Congratulations! Your bank account is now active. Next, let's complete your KYC verification. Log in and go to your personal center, then select Identity Verification. Choose your country of residence. Provide your full name, date of birth, and other personal details. Upload the front and back of your government-issued ID or passport. Take a selfie or complete the liveness check for facial recognition. For advanced verification, add your residential address and upload a proof of address, such as a utility bill. Most verifications are approved within a few minutes to a few hours. Once verified, your account will be fully unlocked. By signing up with referral code 363XS and completing KYC, you'll be eligible for LBank's newcomer promotions, including deposit rewards, trading tasks, and the chance to earn up to 6,000 USDT in bonuses. These offers are available for a limited time, so don't miss your chance. Without referral code 363XS, you miss out on newcomer bonuses and fee discounts. Without KYC, you're stuck with lower withdrawal limits and fewer features. With both, you unlock the full bank experience. Make sure your ID photos are clear and your personal details are accurate. If your KYC fails, check the feedback, fix the issue, and submit again. Don't wait. Click the sign up link in the description, use referral code 363XS, and complete your KYC today. This is your chance to claim bonuses up to 6,000 USDT and start trading on LBank with full access. Thanks for watching this LBank Sign Up tutorial. If you found it helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your crypto journey begins now with referral code 363XS. See you on LBank.